The Daily Code Snippet. A mobile-first design strategy. With responsive design, we should consider the design of mobile screens first. In fact, Google changed its algorithm to rank websites that load quickly on mobile higher than other websites. So this is why you would want your smallest image to be the default in the source attribute. We want to think about our design on mobile first. It should also be included in your list of images in srcset so that the browser knows to consider this image when picking an option. Providing the source attribute also gives an option to a browser that may be too old to support the srcset attribute in the image element. An example of a browser that does not recognize srcset is Internet Explorer. However, it would be less likely to need to support Internet Explorer in 2021. But if that is the case, you may also need to add additional code in both HTML and CSS to make sure your images are scaled appropriately for an older browser such as this. Presented by Designers Learn Code.